combine, Kayla's running the cart, and I am manning the bin site. So things are good. Had a mishap earlier today with the disc, but that's whatever. This is the wheat field. This is what we're taking. Oh wow, that shelled out easy. So when we combine wheat, we take just the head. The rest gets spread out the straw. It gets spread out and shoved through the chopper, and it puts its organic matter and helps build the soil up. But that's, you know, wheat. Fun stuff. This field has been a challenge all year. It was very weedy. As you can see, there's some green right there. And there's some green on the edges, a lot of green on the edges. I don't know what happened there, but a little weedy. But whatever, can't change it. It is what it is. So anyway, enjoy some harvest footage. So we're back at the bins now, and it's a little quieter. But anyway, here's what we got going on. We got the semi parked over the auger, over the hopper of the auger. And we got the cart, and there she goes. There she goes. But anyways, so we got the truck parked over the auger, and we've just been, the field is right there. So we've been running the cart back and forth from the field to the truck, dumping it in one hopper, and that has been working fantastic. Absolutely great. Got the 6155 tied to the auger. Overkill. Plenty overkill. I need to find a smaller, I want to find a smaller open station, older tractor that doesn't have def to idle on the auger. But it's going right, clipping right along. Grandpa's in the combine, Kayla's in the cart. I'm running the bins, making sure we don't overflow or nothing goes wrong. I'm actually about ready to close the third door. This is the year's harvest. I don't know if you can see in there, but it's quite the pile of grain. I think we're about a third. No, we should be about a half full. So that's and we're not. We probably still have 20, 30, 20-ish acres left. But anyway, it's moving. Life is good. We're gonna finish up harvest, if everything holds together, tomorrow. We will be done tomorrow if everything stays together. The combine's running good. I don't have any wood to knock on, but it's going. So anyway, I'm gonna go check out what's going on out there. Good morning, everyone. So day 3 here. I think it's day 3 anyway. Last day of harvest, hopefully. Or not harvest. Last day of wheat harvest. That's better. So I hauled the load into town that I combined on Sunday night. Got that done. What else? So I parked the truck down there. I don't know if you can see it. There's a little bit of it poking out. But I parked that down there. Got that load hauled in, parked that down there. I checked oil on both machines this before, while the truck was warming up. So I'm just gonna, I've got a grease gun. I'm gonna give this some grease. It was really dusty yesterday, so I'm gonna blow the air filter out because it was ridiculously dusty, actually. Dry, and then probably wash. Well, yeah, I gotta wash the windows. Yeah, it's gonna be a good day. Hopefully we finish wheat today, if everything holds together. And then we can think about fertilizer and chisel plowing. We are combining right now. Grandpa's in the combine. I had to go take care of some paperwork, and I came back and the combine was running. So we're moving. We should be able to get done easily. There's not much left here. It's from here, and then there's a few rounds done over by the corn. So I'd say there's maybe, give or take, 10 acres. And we should be able to fit it all between the truck, the cart, and the combine. So I'm in the cart. We can keep the combine moving. Life is good. But I'm gonna go stick you on the hood of the tractor. forgot to end the video the other day, so here's my outro per se. But anyway, we finished wheat harvest. We got done. We blew the combine off. We emptied the trucks. We took the auger down, and we ended up with a really good final yield. So I'm really happy with that. Really happy that it's bittersweet. I'm happy we're done with wheat. I wish I had more acres of wheat, because wheat is fun to harvest. It's fun to combine, especially when it's yielding well and it's good, your good harvest conditions. But anyway, thanks for watching. Feel free to like and subscribe, leave a comment, ask a question. No question is a dumb question. But yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.